Hi guys, good afternoon. I just woke up and I remembered nagpabukali ko pearls. I'm in my Nara Smith era. So, watch me as I make my own matcha latte with pearls from scratch. Siyempre rin natin i-set up. Wala ko yung nice na lighting. Pero, sige na lang. So, I got my cute nga baso. Shams! And then, para aesthetic, kaya itong trapuhan, kaya basa siya. Dili mo rich. Nare kay koan, cute nga. Ay, it comes with a glass straw. So, ayan. Yay! So excited for this to come together. So we'll need brown sugar, another cup, bought this from Georgia, and so the matcha powder herself, condensed milk, and the frother. Not my frother, guys. Best investment ever. Tara! Akong frother. This is kuan. 10 dirhams na nga to ni sa Daiso. Pero daghan na kung nahimuan eh. Like, I have my own cafe at home. So, let's start. So, atong itakos. Hello. I also made this like na siya brown sugar syrup na action going on. So, legitimacy siya. So, isa katakos nga, pearls. Let's go. Wow, isn't it amazing? And then, we are gonna, ay, maghimo kong duha. Because why not? Why not, right? Why not? We're gonna give it a quick rinse para, you know, limpunes. So, again, wiping it off. I'm kind of confused, man. So, okay, we're gonna tapos everything in here. So this is the noise. So ang akong gibuhat ani is nag-boil ko sa tapioca as per package instructions, and then kakatong hapit na siya maluto kay ay ko nagbutang og brown sugar. Aron mosabay siya og ka-dissolve and ka-thicken pagkahubas na sa pan. So yeah, I have now two glasses with pearls on them. Then mag-proceed tayo sa side na to. We will proceed with making our matcha, which requires a little bit of powder, which is this. Wait, I think gamay naman yun siya. Like, for matcha, a little goes a long way, guys. So, for the safer side, I think I'm gonna do it by 1 glass. By glass ko magtimpla. So, I'm gonna make it like that. And add a little bit of our condensed milk. Lahi ang sweetness na maatag sa condensed. So, ana po siya. And then, hot water. So, mura rin siya maghimo kag espresso version, pero matcha. Something like that. So, not really... Nalimot ko sa proportions ani actually. I think nag-search ko before, pero nakalimot ko. So, ay, dapat I made a mistake. Pwede kay frother, girl. Like, we have a frother, dude. So, ayan, magpa-froth po tayo. So, a little froth moment. Pakitan tam. So, nani siya. Yes. We're combining everything. So, muna siya. Okay siya i-combine. So, mag-mix tayo dun sa ma-incorporate ang oil. Okay, inigbutang sa ice o dili pa homogeneous imong mixture from this cup. Di na ma-homogenize dito kay bugnaw naman ang oil. So, we have to make sure everything is thoroughly combined from here itself. Okay? So, few minutes. Actually, it also makes the foamy. The matcha foamy. Okay, malamang. Proper man. And also, it's important to remember na i-off niyo mo i-off niyo mo siya habang napa siya sa mixture aron dili man pisik arasa. So now, I'm gonna use this cup to show you guys the thing. So, I have low-fat milk. So first, atong ibutang ni ang matcha. So that much. Salty. And then ice. Wala na ko nag-drizzle o condense sa kilid kay ma-frustrate ra ko nga mag-tagging siya sa ice. So we're gonna drop our ice. You can add however much you like. Think of it like nagka-melt ani, ma-dilute imong kuan. So add lang ka kung pila ka water in essence imong ipa-dilute sa imong mixture. Then we put water. Milk. So, mas daghan ang milk, ani. Let's fill it to the brim. So, now, we have 1 glass of matcha latte with pearls. So, proceed to the next. Set aside. And then, we're gonna repeat everything from the first batch that I did. So, we're gonna get a little bit of matcha. I think this is enough. Bought this on Amazon. And then a little bit of sugar. Sugar. And then after that, we're gonna add our condensed milk. For that added milky sweetness. Should I finish this or not? So we're gonna add later if lacking. And then our hot water to dilute everything while simultaneously washing my teaspoon. So I'm gonna dilute all of it. And make sure we don't leave anything on the spoon because it's sayang, my friend, okay? I'm not filling the glass. I'm not making it full, just I think around half or mga half or so kay dili man siya matanggal, we're gonna use this frother anyway. We're gonna use it to mix man and combine everything. So after I clean this teaspoon, I'm gonna proceed to froth and combine it like before. So dili na ako ipakita ninyo guys kay same thing raman siya. So the goal is not to see any powder or granules sa lubot sa baso. Okay, sa akong case, if ako siyang i-froth, makita na ko ang tunga. So I can just move around this frother to get all the corners and making sure not to miss any undissolved powder or sugar granules or condensed milk. So sad kay ko guys kay nakatulog ko tungod kay mag Netflix magud unta ko, plano ako magtiwas og tanaw sa Avatar Korra. Tapos naay bagong update ang Netflix nga i-verify nila balik imuhang device address. So like using the Wi-Fi connection you have, i-check nila if same address siya sa imong mga kapamilya. So I think wala na ko Netflix. So that's so sad. And I was in the middle of a series. So then I woke up and I decided to make matcha. Actually, naka-decide na ko from a few hours ago, but then I decided to make it now. So after I'm done mixing, I think nadaghanan na ganin ako ng tubig. But anyway, we'll just lessen the ice para ma-offset ang all. So this video is getting long. 13 minutes na di ay. Pero kay duham po akong gihimo nga baso. So I think enough na siya. So assemble. Pearl and glass matcha mixture, and then ice, I've noticed baya pag inom na nako anig sugod kay na siya effect sa akong bowel movement, like mas frequent na siya. So medyo good thing or something basta. Okay, syempre it's plant, mabugod. So milk up to the brim. And we have our second glass of matcha latte with homemade pearls. Nora Smith will be proud of me. Bye! Ako din dapat i-show oy Enigma mix kay mong satisfying part. Tanaw. See, that's a pearl. It's a pearl stuff. Ay, na-realize na ko ang flaw sa akong aesthetic. Dili siya wide enough for the pearl. What to do, Yanni? Sige na lang. Naami straw gonna keep from the milk teas and all. So that is the one I will use. Bye!